Welcome back to our Super Nintendo World Grand Opening Special, everybody, with another PlayStation game. And this time it's going to be Wheel of Fortune. Kill the music, thank you. Alright, we're going to play Wheel of Fortune on the PlayStation. And we're going to have a good game. We just played Jeopardy! 2nd Edition and won $28,000 plus.
Hi folks, I'm Charlie O'Donnell. Normal game? We'll just add 2 computer players. Player 1, what's your name?
Who wants to play the music?
What kind of game do you want to play?
I want to do a 20-minute game.
From the Sony Pictures Studios, it's America's Game. And now, here's your host, Anna White.
Welcome to another game of Wheel of Fortune.
Thank you, Dana. I'm ready to play. We're in the Western setting this time. I'm looking forward to having myself a good game.
This time we've got a surprise for you on the wheel. This time around our category is Showbiz.
Okay.
Player 1, good luck.
R.
250. Good guess. There are 3.
Alright.
$750.
I'd like to buy an E.
Yes, there's an E. In fact, there are 2 of them.
Come on. Whoa, almost.
$500.
T.
Yes, 2.
Alright. Oh,
Too
no!
bad. Player 2, you give it a try.
I'd like to spin.
That's a big difference.
$900.
I'd like an L, please, Vanna.
No.
No, sorry, no L's. All right, player 3.
I'd like to spin the wheel.
Oh, boy.
$1,000.
N.
Yes, there is an
Pull
N.
that next.
I'd like a vowel. I'd like to buy an
There's a
A.
lot of them.
There are 5 in this puzzle.
Wow.
I'll spin the
I
wheel.
just figured out the puzzle.
$700.
I'll try an S.
2.
There are 2 in this puzzle. $1,400.
I think I can solve it.
Oh, she's gonna snipe it. Alright,
Superstar extravaganza.
she got it. Oh well, very early. Still time.
Whoa, that was a toughie.
Sorta.
Want to see how you're doing? Let's take a look.
$2,150. Let's get ready for round number 2. Yeah, my cat's in here with me, watching me play.
Okay, here comes the next round. And in this round, we're adding a $2,500 space to the wheel. This round, we've got a special fantasy prize we're adding to the wheel.
A new sailboat. $1,350.
The category of this puzzle is before and after.
Dumb.
Player 2, it's your turn to lead off.
Okay, I'll start with a spin.
$900.
Is there an R, Vanna?
Sorry, no R's. Let's let player 3 try their luck.
I think I'll spin, Vanna.
$900.
Let's try for an N.
Can't do
Sorry,
it.
no N's. Player 1.
Phew!
$900.
T.
1 T.
Aww.
$500.
S.
Yes, there is one.
Got it?
Too bad. Player 2, you give it a try.
I think I'll spin, Vanna. Come on, show me the big money.
$250.
Let me try L as in life.
1 L.
I'd like to spin the wheel.
$600.
P.
Sorry, no P's. Okay, it's player 3's turn.
I'd like to spin. Come on! Big money! Big money!
$250.
I'd like a V.
No V's in this puzzle. Okay, player 1, it's your turn. $2,500. There are 2.
Yes!
Yes, there's 1. $250. Yes, there is 1K. $250. There's 1 in this puzzle. $900. 1M. That means the rest of the letters are vowels. Buy or solve?
For the 10 grand and $64 more, glue stick of gum. Hit after. Dumb.
Good job! Congratulations! You get this great prize too.
$10,000.
Want to see how you're doing? Let's take a look. Here we go, the jackpot round. In this round, we'll be adding a $3,500 space to the wheel. Here's the category this round. Same name. Player 3, you go first.
Okay, I can do that.
$3,500.
Give me an S.
No, sorry, no S's. Okay, contestant 1. $700. Good guess. There are 3. We've got one of those for you. The jackpot. All right. All you have to do now is solve the puzzle. $450. Good. 2 L's. There are 4 altogether.
Oh no!
Sorry, you lose a turn. Player 2, you give it a try.
I'll spin, Vanna.
$250.
T.
Yes, there are 3 T's. $750.
I'll spin.
$250.
V.
No V's in this puzzle. Okay, player 3.
I'd like to spin.
$400.
P.
2 of them. $800.
I'd like a vowel. A U?
No!
No U's. Sorry. Okay, contestant 1. $800. There are 2. $700. Yes, there is 1 K. $3,500. Yes, we've got one for you. That sound means only vowels are left.
Or another $8,550 forklift and telephone operator.
Congratulations! Let's see how everybody's doing.
$24,950 now. $50 shy of $25,000.
On to the next round. Good luck, everyone. We're going to add a $5,000 space to the wheel. For this puzzle, the category is place. Player 1, all the best. $300. Good. There are 3 R's here. $800. We've got 3 for you. There's a couple. $450. There's 1 D. $450. There are 2 in this puzzle.
Yeah, buddy.
1 C. $250. Yes, there is 1.
Yeah, buddy. Boy, that's a big step.
Yes, 2. That prize is yours if you solve the puzzle. That sound means only vowels are left.
For the sailboat, the surprise of $4,650 cash. Discount furniture store.
Congratulations! You get this great prize too. Well done. Here's your prize.
A collection of rare stamps. All right. $5,840.
Want to see how much money everybody has?
$38,790.
So, on to the next puzzle. This time the category is occupation. Player 2, you go first.
Okay, I can do that.
Here we go.
$5.50.
Are there any L's?
No, sorry, no L's.
You failed.
Player 3, on to you.
I'd like to spin the wheel. Okay, come on now.
Too bad. Okay, Player 1, it's your turn. $2.50. Yes, there is an R. $600. There's a couple. Hey, that's $1,200. $5,000. Good. 2 S's. $600. Uh-huh, 2 of them. Hey, that's $1,200. $2.50. We've got one of those for you. $600. There are 2 G's. Hey, that's $1,200. Okay, I can now tell you that there are no more consonants to be found in the puzzle. So buy a vowel or solve.
For 14,100 more, gas station manager.
You did it!
Yes, I did!
Let's see how everybody's doing after this round.
$52,809.
So, on to the next puzzle. Let's see what our category is this time. Things. Okay, Player 3, lead off.
Okay, here I go.
$2.50.
Oh, I hope there's a T.
Not a T in sight. Sorry. That means we'll move to Player 1. $2.50. No, sorry, no S's. All right, it's Player 2's turn.
I'll spin the wheel. Okay, come on now.
$300.
Is there an L, Vanna?
Uh-huh, 2 of them.
I'll buy a vowel then. Is there an E?
3 E's.
I'll buy a vowel then. Could we buy a U, please?
No U's. Sorry. Player 3.
I'll spin the wheel.
Sorry, you lose a turn. Okay, contestant 1. $700. Yes, we've got one for you. $2.50. Yes, there's one. $2.50. Only 1 G. $300.
No, I wanted
no
a C,
D's.
not a D.
All right, it's Player 2's turn.
Hurry.
I'll spin.
Too bad. Okay, Player 3.
I'd like to spin the wheel.
Thank you.
Too bad. That That means we'll move to player 1. $700. There's 1 in this puzzle. $300. Yes, there is an H. $300. There's 1 in this puzzle. $5,000. There are 2 in this puzzle. $600. Yes, there's 1 Z. Okay, I can now tell you that there are no more consonants to be found in the puzzle. So buy a vowel or solve.
$13,100. Chimpanzee, ape, and gorilla.
You did it! Let's see how everybody's doing.
$65,990.
Here's our next puzzle. Our category this time around is person. Player 1, good luck. $300. There's 1 in this puzzle. $250. Sorry, no ends. Player 2. That sound means that time is running out. I'll give the wheel the final spin. Vowels are worth nothing. Consonants are worth $400.
Is there an S?
1 S. Player 3, on to you.
L.
1 L. All right, player 1. No
Oh, the
use.
T.
Sorry. Let's turn things over to player 2.
Are there any T's?
Good. 2 T's. $800. Player 3.
K.
Yes, there is 1 K. Okay, contestant 1. 1 F.
Fast talker. Bonus round. This is the bonus prize.
Yes! Let's see how everybody's doing.
$66,690. Let's go win ourselves a bonus prize. And hopefully they're a good one. Whew.
Okay, player 1 is going to the bonus round. If you'll just pick a letter, we'll see if we can't get you the prize behind it.
W.
This time around, our category is place. Here are the letters R-S-T-L-N-E. Now you can pick 3 more consonants and a vowel.
B. H. O.
Here's the puzzle. Good luck.
That's what I got.
Terrific
I
game!
like it.
You'll be lord or lady of the manor when we send you and a guest to Britain for a week to stay in a historic medieval castle. You'll travel to London, then onto the famous Lake District, where you live like royalty on a 500-year-old estate, complete with private golf course, game preserve, and its very own winery. And so you can really live like a king. How does $5,000 in spending money sound? You'll enjoy all the pomp and pageantry of merry old England. The value of your fantasy prize is $20,500.
Altogether, $87,190.